Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use webhooks in n8n, the automation platforms. Now, webhooks let external services call your account in n8n workflow via an HTTPS URL. You have like a webhook node, which is going to expose a test URL. Okay, this is for the editor testing only, and a production URL, which is a stable URL used when the workflow is active. You can control different parameters, which is what I'm going to show you in here. But let's just create a new, workflow from scratch. So let's just go in here. Now we have to add our first step, which of course is going to be our webhook in here. And there we have it. Amazing. And as you can see, we have different things. We have our test URL and the production. That's cool. We're going to focus on the test URL for now. Okay. Now, the first thing that we have to select is basically the method. Okay, now we can select between get and post. These are going to be like the most common, okay, get and post, depending if you want to get data or you want to post data on a web page. Okay, I'm actually going to go with the get method in here. Now the path can be something like, for example, this one here, guys. If you have like an e-commerce section, orders and news, so you want to get some information, or maybe you want to post some information on this page in here, right? The authentication, I recommend that you set it to something, basically, okay? Either, basic authentication or header to make it more secure, okay? So that's very, very important. Now, you are going to have to copy this link in here, and that's going to be very important for later, okay, guys? So that's pretty much it, and from here you can add different nodes, okay, which I'm going to show you in future tutorials. Thank you so much.